Hey folks, this is Vineet from theurbanastronomer.com. This is a 360 video, so do look around. Based on the recent observations of the first interstellar comet 2I Borisov, astronomers from Poland have said that it appears to be breaking apart. Borisov was discovered on 30th of August 2019 by Gennady Borisov at the Margo Observatory in Crimea, and it bears his name. Based on the object's orbit parameters and its velocity, 2I Borisov was confirmed as an interstellar visitor. It was the second object of interstellar origin, the first being Oumuamua. The object made the closest approach to the Sun on 8th of December 2019. It was just outside the orbit of Mars and around 2 AU from both the Sun and the Earth. Based on observations, NASA calculated that the diameter of the object is less than a kilometer. Various observations also suggested that it is similar in chemical composition to comets in our own solar system. Unlike Borisov, Oumuamua, the first non-interstellar object, was more like an asteroid. Recent observations of 2I Borisov reveal that it has brightened up twice in this month, the March of 2020. This is usually indicative of nuclear fragmentation, suggesting that the comet might be breaking apart. It is very interesting that we have managed to find and track two interstellar objects in these last few years. It would be fascinating if we managed to send a probe to one of our future visitors, and the interesting things that we can learn from it. Please like, comment and share if you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and thanks a lot for watching.